KTM Duke 390 stands bold under the showroom lights, its sharp LED headlamp and sculpted tank giving it a predatory stance. From the front three-quarter view, the wide handlebars and exposed trellis frame scream Streetfighter attitude. The chrome rustic light white paint pops against the polished floor, highlighting every edge and crease. It looks aggressive, modern, and ready to launch forward at any second. From the side profile, the Duke's proportions are perfect, compact yet muscular. The trellis frame contrasts beautifully against the white bodywork, and the orange accents peek through with just the right amount of aggression. The sharp tank shrouds flow into the minimalist tail section, while the alloy wheels and monoshock suspension complete the performance look. It feels like a bike built to dominate city streets. Walk around to the rear and the Duke 390 reveals its athletic back end. The slim LED taillight glows with a signature KTM pattern, and the underbelly exhaust sits tucked in neatly. The rear tire is wide and purposeful, giving the bike a planted stance. The polished showroom floor mirrors the entire bike, doubling the drama of this rear three-quarter view. Climb into the rider's position and you're greeted with a clear, bright TFT display showing every bit of ride data you need. The wide handlebars give a commanding feel, the mirrors are perfectly positioned, and the fuel tank stretches forward in chrome rustic white, catching the showroom reflections. It's an ergonomic yet aggressive cockpit that makes you want to twist the throttle. A close-up of the handlebar reveals every tiny detail. The textured grips, precision-cut levers, and switchgear all designed with functionality and style in mind. The TFT screen glows like a high-tech gadget, showing speed, gear position, and ride modes. The reflections on the tank edge add depth to the shot, making it feel like you're right there about to start the ride. From over the shoulder, you can see the perfectly stitched seat, contoured to keep the rider in place. The sculpted fuel tank with its sharp lines gives the bike a muscular look, while the KTM branding adds that touch of racing pedigree. Under the bright showroom light, the chrome rustic white finish shines like liquid metal. Peek at the engine bay and you'll find the signature KTM single-cylinder Powerhouse on full display. The orange trellis frame cradles it like a piece of art, and the polished casing with the KTM logo gleams under the lights. Every pipe, cable, and nut is perfectly arranged, a mechanical sculpture waiting to roar to life. Zoom in closer and the detail becomes even more impressive. You can see the cooling fins, the chain sprocket, and the bolts all gleaming. It's industrial yet elegant, the kind of mechanical beauty that reminds you this machine was built for pure riding thrill. A front wheel close-up shows the aggressive disc rotor, caliper, and detailed alloy design. The tire tread looks fresh and grippy, promising sharp handling. The chrome rustic white front fender reflects the polished showroom floor, tying the whole shot together. And when the LED headlamp comes to life, it's pure aggression. The DRL outline glows white and crisp, while the main projector throws a strong, focused beam. The light reflects off the showroom floor, creating a dramatic effect that perfectly matches the bike's Streetfighter personality.